Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a Home Bargains haul. The other day I popped into Home Bargains to pick up some laundry supplies and then I left with about 3 bags full of stuff. So I have so much to show you today. That always happens to me because they had so many nice things for the home, the kids, organization, the garden. So I can't wait to show you what I found and I hope you really enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up so that I know to make more like this. And if you're new to my channel, I would absolutely love you to subscribe. But with all that said, let me get straight into showing you what I got. The first thing that caught my eye when we went in there were these lanterns. They are solar power lanterns and they're quite large, but they're about $14.99 each. So I got 2 of them. And the reason that I got these was I thought they would be really good to dress an area in our garden. We just had a pergola put in and it looks quite empty at the moment, so we really want to add a few bits to it, so I thought that these could be perfect. So you can see the solar panel at the top there. I will also put some footage in here of how they actually look at night, how they light up, but it's really nice that I don't have to worry about power, batteries, things like that. I can just put it out there. They actually look like they're a tiny bit on even now because it's quite sunny in this room. But yeah, I just thought it was really stylish. I think you wouldn't think Home Bargains when you see this. So I got 2 of those. Also in the home section, and to contrast the black lanterns that I got, I picked up these little rope lanterns. Again, they are solar power, a little bit smaller, but I thought they were really, really stylish. These will either go in the same area like with our pergola, or we thought this would actually look really nice on our balcony because we are also trying to dress that. So it has a solar panel at the top there, but it also has an on and off button, so it doesn't always have to be on. You can choose when it is, and again, I'll put some footage in here of them outside in use, but inside it looks like a little candle rather than a bulb, and these were each $7.99. Also in Home Bargains, they had a really great summer section. They had so much stuff there for the kids, for the beach or for the garden. They actually had very similar swimming vests to the ones that my boys have, but I actually bought them on Amazon for quite a bit more money. And I also picked up this slip and slide. Well, it's called an inflatable bowling water slide, but it's pretty much a slip and slide. It was $11.99. I think the kids will absolutely love it because it comes with these little inflatable bowling pins that you can put up at the end. We actually had a slip and slide, but last summer it got ripped right down the middle and we can't really use it anymore. So I needed to get a new one anyway, and they're about £25 on Amazon. So I thought I would pick this one up, and it's 16 foot long as well. So I just know the kids are gonna love trying this out. Next up, in the same section, I picked up these water guns for the boys. They were $5.99 for 4, and I thought they were a really good size. I feel like you could pack these and take them on holiday if you wanted to, or take them on days out as well. But they'll probably mostly play with them in the garden, and I just think they will love them. I also picked up this citronella candle, which if you don't know, they help to repel bugs when you're sat outside. So I'm planning on putting this on our outdoor table. We don't get loads of bugs where we are, but there is a time of year where you get like crazy flying ants and a few bugs as well. So I thought this would actually be really good. They had loads of different ones in Home Bargains, lots of different colors and sizes. But I thought this was quite good for £2.50. So yeah, I thought I'd show you that. I don't actually know what these things are doing. I feel like a bunny when I look in the viewfinder, but the next thing that I got were these beach towel clips. I've never had these before, but I've seen other people on holiday with them, and I thought it would actually be really good. Don't judge me. I'm not going to reserve a bed at like 5 a.m. But it's really annoying when you put your towel on a beach bed and then you walk off, play with the kids, and the wind blows your towel away and then you've lost your bed. So I thought that these would actually be really handy, and they were $2.99 in Home Bargains. So I got one for my bed and Matt's bed. Normally we pretty much only need like a couple of beds. So this one says vacay and this one says this is the life. And I'm always really impressed with the storage that they have in Home Bargains. They have amazing baskets, storage bins, mason jars, so much. And I have a lot of storage, as you know, so I didn't need much, but I did see these fridge bins, which I thought were great. They're really good size and they were £2.50 each. And I love that they're clear so you can see exactly what is in them. I really like to wash and prep veg, and I thought this would be good for the veg that I'm not cutting up. Actually, the picture gave me an idea. You can actually just store the contents in that, and I just think it'll be really nice and easy to see in the fridge. So yeah, I got 2 of those. And because of the time of year, they had quite a few things in there for Father's Day. They had all the normal like Father's Day mugs, cookies, cards, and things like that. But I actually saw this sofa organizer and I thought it would be actually quite a cute add-on gift. It was $2.99 and it has 6 pockets on it and a little place to put like a drink and a snack. So I thought this might be really cute if we can like put the remotes in there. Also his glasses, like Matt will often sit down to watch TV and be like, where's my glasses? And then yeah, you can have like his coffee and things like that. So I thought it was just like a really sweet one, and like it's quite organized as well. So this should fit over the arm of our couch, and we actually just got a new sofa in the front room as well. But yeah, it kind of protects it, but it's quite cute. So I thought I would get that for Father's Day. I also picked up 3 of these water bottles. They look like little milk bottles and I really love them. If you've been following my channel for a while, you will have seen that I've been using these for so many years. They're £1.29 in Home Bargains, but if you were to try and get them on Amazon, somewhere like that, they're so much more expensive, and they're just great quality and good, especially for my littlest. Like when they're having dinner, I put their drinks in this. I know they're getting older, but it does save the spills. So I got 3 different colors, but they had loads of different ones in there. They had like pink, purple, yellow, so many different ones. So yeah, I got 3 more. I think these will be really good for summer. And personally, when I drink water, like I find I drink more of it when it's in like a sippy cup style. So I have like ones like this or slightly larger ones. So yeah, quite pleased with those. Also bought something that I've always wanted to try, and it is this, which is a little jade roller. This was $2.99 in Home Bargains, so I thought it was a really good price. Even if I don't like it or I don't stick to it, like it hasn't cost me loads of money. So I'm gonna watch a few videos on how to actually do facial rolling, but it's quite like anti-aging and it feels really nice and cooling. So I will let you know how I get on with this. I also struggle to not buy anything from the kids section. I'm a big kid at heart, and you know it's gonna keep them occupied. So I did pick up one thing, and it was this color in dinosaur. It's like a dinosaur stuffy, but it also comes with the pens that you'll need. So I just know Jackson will love coloring this in and then keeping it. It was $3.99 and they had so many different like arts and crafts and coloring things in there. But I just thought that he would actually really enjoy that on like a rainy day. I could pull this out and he can play with it. I also picked up a torch because my son is going on a 2-night away trip. I'm actually dreading it a little bit, but on his long list of things to pack, one of the things was a torch, and this was just $1.99 in Home Bargains, and it says it's super bright lamp and torch pen, so it's got a light there and it's got a light there, and I just think it's like quite a nice size and everything, so I can tick that off my packing list, and I'm sure he's gonna like have loads of fun with it. And with the change of weather, my husband Matt is in full-on barbecue mode, so I picked up a heavy-duty barbecue brush. It's got a really coarse like wire brush on this side and then more of a scrubby on this side. Our barbecue really does need a good clean, so I picked that up. I have no idea where our old one is. And then I also picked up this really cute barbecue fondue set. It was only £1.49 and it came with like the chocolate chips you need and some marshmallows as well. So the idea is you put it on your barbecue grill and it melts the chocolate, and then your kids or you can roast the marshmallows and then dip them in the chocolate. We did it the other night and the kids absolutely loved it. We actually needed more marshmallows, and when I was in Home Bargains I picked up 2 bags of these rainbow marshmallows. I thought they were really, really cute. You can see there's like little rainbows inside, so they loved doing that. And I've got another bag because I think we're going to be roasting more marshmallows now. We got like a little fire pit outside, so yeah, they loved it. Sticking with the cooking theme, I randomly picked up a turkey baster, or just a baster. I also picked up some stainless steel straws that are like a bronze color. We have some really nice like glass straws, but the other day Jackson broke his and it really freaked me out. So I thought for Jackson, he can definitely use one of these stainless steel straws, and the whole pack was just 99p, which I thought was really reasonable. And I also picked up some clothes pegs. These were 67p. I thought, well, you can't go wrong with that. But now it is getting a bit windier and I'm hanging a few things outside on our balcony and stuff. I thought that these would be really handy to just like secure everything. They had loads of different ones in there, but I just wanted like the basic wooden ones. We've also been getting into gardening a little bit more. So we picked up some gardening gloves, which are actually outside already in use, but I think they were about $3.98. We also picked up some pruners so that you can prune the bushes and the flowers. Oh my gosh, you sound really old. And then also picked up some safety goggles. These were $1.99, and really these are for when Matt is like cutting the hedges back and cutting the bushes back and things like that, so he can wear these. Also picked up some new toothbrush heads. I did also pick up some snacks. Some of them are already downstairs opened, like packs of crisps, and I got some chews for the dog that she's already had one. But I did also pick up these little pretzels. The kids love these, and normally I can only find them in like a big bag, but I thought these were like quite cute small bags for their lunches and things like that. And I also picked up some more baking trays. We really need some new ones. So I got the Hairy Biker ones in Home Bargains. I think they were about £6, so probably £3 each, because I got 2 of those. And then I also got a very small one. This was just £1.29, so I thought that was a really good price. And then I also got this for pizza and chips. I thought this was a really good hack. If I'm not using my air fryer, I can put it on this tray and it will just help the air to circulate and cook pizza and chips like that in the oven even quicker. And then finally, I also picked up these Fairy Non-Bio pods because I needed some more for the boys. I really like washing their clothes with these because they're really good on sensitive skin. So I got some more of those as well. And then I also wanted to add in some footage of anything else that caught my eye in store when I was there that I didn't actually buy myself, but that I thought you guys might want to see. Yeah, so as I said, I was really impressed with the summer section. There were so many great toys like bubbles, water guns, things for holidays, these life vests. I thought they were really good value as well. They came in loads of different colors. You can see there's table tennis. There was even a little scale to weigh your luggage for $4.99. We have one like this and it's so great to weigh your luggage before you go on holiday. They had so much stuff for mosquito bites, mosquito bands. We actually have these, so I didn't get any, but I love them. I also thought this little bird feeder was so cute. It hangs and it looks like they're sat on a chair, but Matt was like, please don't get that. And they also had a teacup. I thought these faux lavender flowers were really beautiful and they were $9.99. And then I also really loved this mirror. They said it could be indoor or outdoor. It did feel quite plastic, so I personally would maybe put it in the garden, but it was really nice. And I also really liked these glasses, but I have quite similar glasses to these, so I couldn't justify it, but they were $1.99. And they also had some really good other like summer barbecue bowls and plates and cups, lolly molds, things like that. They also had these LED lights, and we have similar ones in Fraser's bedroom, but they were just $14.99. So if you have a tween, they've been brilliant for his room. And then, as I say, the storage section was really good. They had the tiered can storage for just $2.99. Obviously, you saw that I bought these ones, but there were just so many great bins and baskets in Home Bargains. I could have spent all day in this section. Okay guys, so that's everything that I wanted to show you from Home Bargains. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!